morning, Group 52. Imagine you're in line at the grocery store, purchasing a month's worth of groceries. The clerk rings you up and she says you're free to go. The man in front of you has paid for all of your groceries already. Before you can say thank you, he's gone. This is the mystery of how God loves us. You see, no matter how many mistakes you've made, how many sins you've committed, it doesn't matter how much you may hate yourself. Before you could even make those mistakes, Jesus Christ already died for you because he loves you. But many of us stand in front of the cashier demanding to know what the bill was because we feel so unworthy to receive such a gift. He loves us. The only issue is, will we accept that love? Will we love ourselves enough to receive the gift he's given us already? The truth is, you could not pay for it. You don't deserve it. You could not earn it. You simply say thank you. And because he loved you, this is why you should learn to love yourself. See yourself as he sees you. Thank you, Group 52, and have the best week of your life.